When people think of the Blue Jays' great players, they always think of Vlad Guerrero, Robbie Ray, Bo Bichette. However, Teoscar Hernandez is always overlooked, and those who do look at him think he was a one-hit wonder this year. However, that is not true. Teoscar Hernandez in seasons before this has also put up good numbers and has not ever been recognized for it until this year, but he still lacked recognition. People need to start talking about Teoscar Hernandez as the real ace he is. All the talk is how Vlad Guerrero and Robbie Ray might be MVP and Cy Young winners this season. However, what people don't realize is Teoscar Hernandez this year hit .296 with 32 homers and 116 RBIs, which is the second most in all of baseball. People don't often think of Teoscar Hernandez like the great Blue Jay players at the moment, partially because they don't think he has a past. However, that is also not true. Outside of the COVID-shortened season, he hit 20 homers. He's hit 20 homers 3 seasons in a row, and even in the COVID-shortened season, in just 50 games, he managed to put up 16 homers. He also has a very respectable .260 career batting average and a very respectable .822 OPS in his career. And despite having all these great numbers, he's still only 28 and likely hasn't even reached the prime of his career. This team cannot really do without Teoscar Hernandez, as he has been a huge factor on why the Blue Jays almost made the playoffs, and as them being a competitive team to win the whole division next year, I think Teoscar, again, is going to put up great numbers and help the Blue Jays maybe go all the way.